Hey guys, I literally just finished my breakfast. Okay, so get ready with me to go out, and we're not gonna do much. So yeah, so I'm just gonna put on some clear nail polish. And wait for it to dry. Okay, done. Literally, just finished. Okay, done. Now I need to do my hair and clothes. Let's decide on clothes first. This is option number 1. It's cute. It's okay. This is option 2. It's kind of giving granny. Not gonna lie. So not this. This is what I'm gonna go with, I think. Yeah, this is what I'm gonna go with. Oh, I will see you guys soon.